Hi there, students. Fox. Seems like a simple word. A fox, a noun. To fox, a verb. To outfox, a verb. Foxy as an adjective, and I guess foxily as an adverb as well. Okay, so I'm sure you all know the fox. Yeah, this animal that kills your chickens. It's related to wolves and dogs. The fox, vulpes, vulpes. Yeah. So that's the basic meaning. But notice, let's see. To fox somebody, to trick somebody, to fool, yeah, to confuse, to baffle. So I was completely foxed by question 3. Yeah, I was baffled by it. I couldn't find the answer. To outfox somebody, to be smarter than them. So I outfoxed my competitor, and like that I won the game. To outfox, to beat somebody in a competition of being intelligent. Yeah? If you can outfox the opposition, you are going to win. Okay, so let's see. A fox. If you call a person a fox, I think most normally this is saying a cunning, sly, tricky person. This man is an old fox, so be very careful in your dealings with him. Yeah, he's very he's very cunning. He's a real old fox. You could also use this word foxy, and for me, foxy most commonly talks about a foxy woman, sexually attractive, very sexy and beautiful, as in the Jimi Hendrix song "Foxy Lady" by Jimi Hendrix. So foxy meaning sexy and attractive. You could also use foxy or to mean cunning and tricky and sly. He's a very foxy individual, so be careful. And you could also use she's a real fox, as in she's very sexy as well. So those you could use both ways. Okay, so a fox, the animal, somebody who's very, very tricky or very cunning. Notice as well, to fox, to trick, to confuse. He foxed me with all of his crafty, sly tricks. Okay, so to fox somebody, to trick them, or just to confuse them. I was foxed by the way that the question was answered. I was confused by it. Notice as well, you can also use this fox or foxing to talk about discoloration on old paper. If you've got an old print or an old piece of paper, sometimes you get these light brown dots on it. Yeah, and this is called foxing. The humidity foxes the paper. An old book can be foxed. It can show distinct foxing as well. Okay, so a fox. Yeah. Let's see, formality. The word of fox, the animal, 5 in formality, use anywhere. If you call somebody a tricky fox, an old fox, somebody who's sly and cunning, this I think 3.5 in formality. Use in an informal conversation, maybe a semi-formal conversation, but no more. A foxy lady, she's a real fox. I think again 4 in formality, informal conversation, informal semi-formal conversation as well. Foxy, again, for informality, informal, semi-formal conversation. To fox somebody, to outfox somebody. I think maybe to fox somebody, I'm going to give it a 4.5. Use it in an informal conversation, semi-formal conversation. I think to outfox, I'm probably going to go to 4.5 informality. I would be happy for you to use to outfox in a semi-formal writing as well. Okay, so as to origin, well, this comes from, it's an old word, Proto-Germanic, fusaz, meaning a fox, from Proto-Indo-European, puxos, the tailed one, probably from puk, the tail. Okay, so fox, lots of meanings. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Fox, Foxy, Outfox.